Every day, countless garage doors in the Calderwood area face a common yet critical problem: broken springs. With a finite lifespan, these springs endure immense strain and can suddenly snap after years of repeated use, making your garage door unusually heavy and challenging to operate. This isn't just an inconvenience, it's a safety hazard. Don't let a broken spring disrupt your day or put your family at risk. If your garage door is struggling to lift, it's time to call in the experts. Contact our team of qualified professionals at 0409-774-111 and let us restore the safety and functionality of your garage door with speed and precision. Remember, help in the Calderwood area is just a phone call away.